In this video, we will talk about assigning content or adding content to your queue. This video will focus on assigning a lesson, but the step-by-step process is the same for quests. An important note: before you begin assigning lessons, remember that you can only assign up to the maximum number of lessons your subscription tier allows you to. For example, if you have a Plus subscription for organizations, you will only be able to assign 10 lessons per student. That being said, activity assignments and content created in Studio don't count towards that cap. You can learn more about activity assignments in the activity content video linked in the description below this video. Now, let's get into assigning lesson content. Once you find a lesson you would like to assign, click on the vertical 3 dots. Select Assign Lesson, and a list of settings will appear with helpful descriptions underneath. You will need to complete these settings in order to accurately assign your lesson. First up is to choose the class you're assigning the lesson to. I'm going to assign this lesson to my Otter A class. If you are assigning the lesson to a specific student or group of students within the class, student names is where you can type in their names and the lesson will be assigned to them and only them. Use Start Date to select when you'd like the lesson to begin being available. And use Due Date to select when you'd like the lesson to no longer be available. And lastly, in the Priority Tier option, you can choose where to place the lesson amidst content that you've already assigned. There are 4 tiers, Tier 1 being the highest priority, and Tier 4 being the lowest priority. The default tier for teachers is Tier 2, which means that the lesson you are assigning will be assigned after any active Tier 1 or Tier 2 assignments, but before any Tier 3 assignments. For a more in-depth breakdown of the tier system, you can scroll down on the Assign window. After completing the information, click Assign. You should see a green pop-up that informs you the assignment has been added successfully. In the next video, we will go over the Assignments page where you can view and edit assigned content.